Inkstall students. Let's talk about something that makes studying feel like a game, but still helps you win in real life. Ink coins. What points actually mean on Inkstall? Open the Inkstall point screen and go to My Points. At the top, you'll see Total Points All Time. These are your points earned across time, and the app clearly says they're available for games and rewards. This matters because points are not random rewards. They are a scoreboard for your consistency, your habits, effort, and participation. Where your points come from, based on what you see on screen. Now scroll a little and look at the point categories. Attendance points. This is your consistency engine. When you attend regularly, you build a strong base of points. It's the simplest way to grow because it depends on one thing: showing up. Quiz points. Quizzes reward you for practice. Every quiz attempt builds speed, accuracy, and confidence. Game points. Game points make learning fun. You earn while you play, and it keeps you engaged without pressure. You'll also see categories like assignment points and test marks. These represent progress from submitted work and assessments as you keep moving forward. Then there are two important categories students should understand. Rewarded points. These are bonus points, usually given for performance, effort, improvement, discipline, or exceptional work. Deducted points. This is the accountability section. It exists because the system is fair. Points reward consistency, but can be reduced if rules are broken or expectations aren't met. And if you want a challenge, tap Leaderboard. The leaderboard shows monthly rankings, so students compete fairly based on activity. The real reason you should care? Inkkart. Now let's connect it to the big win. Open Inkkart. On the homepage banner, it says it directly: the new way students earn and shop, and collect ink coins, redeem real products. That is the purpose of collecting points. You earn ink coins through learning, and you can redeem them for real items. Scroll to top picks in stationery, and you can literally see the reward categories. Premium stationery kit, academic textbooks, trendy backpacks, premium notebook set, professional art kits, premium pen collection, and more. So the points are not just for the app. They translate into products you can actually use. The simple strategy to earn more, consistently. If you want your ink coins to grow steadily, follow this routine. Be consistent with attendance. Attempt quizzes regularly. Play and earn game points. Stay on top of assignments and tests. Aim for rewarded points by improving your work quality. Avoid actions that lead to deducted points. Inkstall isn't only about finishing chapters. It's about building habits and being rewarded for them. So start today. Open My Points, track your categories, climb the leaderboard, and then go to Inkkart and redeem your ink coins for real products. Attend, quiz, play, improve, earn, redeem.